Everyone, welcome back to FX Capital Analysis. Today we're going to analyze for week 13 of 2020 for the next week. Before we start analysis, I got a little tip for you, which is about a forex trading that might change your lifestyle. If you trade the forex trading with consistent result, it might change your income and it will increase your income and might be change your 9 to 5 income, which is your primary income, but we must have a consistent result. In FX Capital, how we approach a consistent result is we have a consistent routine. In FX Capital, we forecast all pair in weekend, and we have a structure or routine for weekdays, which is Monday to Friday. That's the way we approach in forex trading in consistent routine, which is consistent routine will have a side effect of consistent result. This consistent result will have a side effect of consistent income. That's the way we approach in forex trading. Okay, now we're going to start forecasting all the pair for the next week. There's a 6 pair for top pair and 2 pair for wildcard. And we start with Swiss Japanese yen. In Swiss Japanese, for this pair Swiss Japanese yen, at a high time frame, weekly time frame, price impulse and price now at a correction structure before price to move down. We always start with high time frame to show us the bigger picture of the structure. In daily time frame, price show us small ascending channel, which is after ascending channel we expect price to sell off, and we move to 1 hour time frame. In 1 hour time frame, price already moved down after a double top in ascending channel structure, but we must evolve within the structure. We need to see what the price show us in now moment. Now price show a small descending channel. You can see it's very clean descending channel. So what I'm going to do for this pair, which is I expect price to move down, which is price already start make a very clean descending channel before price to create a double top, another touch of double top. There's a two possibility here, which is I will enter in this position, or if price create another touch of high of resistance, and I will sell off from here. But we must remember for this pair, price might create another third touch of high time frame and start sell off from here. We keep it simple and set our alert, and we move to the next pair. Next pair is gold USD. Gold USD now at the high level point, which is this high and this high. For lower time frame, which is daily, price start approach this structure, this pair with ascending channel, which is price expect to price already make a first touch, second touch, and might create a third touch before sell off. We move to lower time frame. Price create a bull flag and expect to move up and sell off from here. But I expect price to, but if we draw a structure here. There's a ascending structure from here. If price doesn't move to the third touch and start move from here to sell this pair, I will wait for bear flag and enter position from here. But we must remember, for gold, price have the possibility to move to all-time high and sell off from here. We move to the next pair is Euro USD. For high time frame, Euro USD create a very deep descending channel. If we understand price structure and price action, after descending channel, price expect to go to long position, which is buy position. But we must understand that if you trade price action, you follow the continuation pattern or reversal pattern. Price might sell off from all for this high and to move downward. For lower time frame, price already break the structure. If we follow our forecasting from high time frame, price has the possibility to move to the upward, which is price already create bear flag. Sorry, it's a bull flag and has possibility to move up, but we must forecast the possibility and the probability. Well, understand for this structure, and after multiple data or back testing, price has possibility to sell off from this high. Price might go to this high, create a flag and sell off from here. That's the way I going to approach Euro USD. We move to Pound USD. Pound USD price create a impulse and correction. We move to lower time frame. Price have a big volatility. Price move down, impulse and move up and create a correction from here. We move to lower time frame. This is price move to price start create a bear flag. Sorry, it's a bull flag. What I expect for this pair, I expect price to buy from this point, which is first touch, second touch and third touch, to move up. But that one for buy position is a short term setup. What I'm really looking for this pair is price to sell off from this double top to create another structure, continue within the bigger structure, or price create a third touch and sell off from here. So for this pair is short term buy and long term sell. Next we move to New Zealand Canadian dollar. For New Zealand Canadian dollar, price since last week start show at the high probability point, which is price at the high probability trend line, which is we expect price to move down and sell off from here, similar to last week forecasting. And a price approach this pair in ascending structure. We see clearly in lower time frame. For last week we have a very clean structure towards the high time frame. It doesn't need have this trend line. If you sell off from here, this point, this flag, you have to deal with this correction or this double top. If there's another opportunity you to sell it from here as well, if you not move your break even as early too early, you might still have a bigger percentage from here. But now price start create a descending channel and price move up. What I expect price to make another touch, we create a bigger up from here, and I will sell off from this position. Price have a very high probability area to sell off from this position. But if you go to high time frame, price at descending channel, if price break this descending channel, I will wait for clean flag to buy this position. Okay. Next we move for Euro New Zealand. For high time frame, price show us ascending channel. We zoom out, that price show us very steep descending channel. For this situation, if we move to daily time frame, what I'm looking for is price will have at high level point, which price might go to downward, make another touch from here and buy from here. When we approach a lower time frame, price already show us a very small ascending channel. What I expect for this position, if price hover at this trend line with ascending structure, I will set a sell setup from here and sell from here. And we expect for this position, sell is a short term play, and for long term play, that price going to discharge and make a buy setup from here. Next we move to Euro Pound. For Euro Pound, for high time frame, price already impulse and create a bigger correction before move up. We move to lower time frame, price already impulse downward and create ascending structure. In 1 hour time frame, what I'm looking for this pair, for the past few weeks, price make a third touch and price sell off from here and move up from this point. What I'm looking for is price make a double stop and sell from here. That's the first setup, and second setup, price going to make another touch and sell from here. That's the two options that I'm looking for forecasting for this pair. Next we move to wildcard. For the wildcard is a pound Swiss franc. Price make a big correction in ascending channel, price impulse up and create a bigger, if you zoom in, price impulse down and impulse up and create a correction from here. We move to 1 hour time frame. In 1 hour time frame, this is a expanding formation for this pair. At the end of expanding channel, we have a small descending channel. What I'm looking for this pair, price will move to this point and I will create a buy setup from here. Another option for possibility, price make another touch, one touch, second touch and third touch, and price will buy from here. It's buy setup from this pair. And for the long term move, price will impulse up from here, correction and move up. There's a long-term move. Next we move to the last wildcard is a pound cap. Price impulse, create a correction and expect to move down here. We move to daily, zoom in. From the impulse move, price create a big correction. 1, 2, 3, price impulse, create a correction and we expect sell off from here. For 1 hour time frame, this is the bear flag from the high time frame. What I'm going to do for this pair, for last week I make a sell setup after this touch and I sell it from this flag and I close it after price pullback from here. It's about 5 or 6%. So what I'm going to expect is price to move down here, but if price make another test at this level, I will make a sell setup. That's all for this week. For analysis for week 13, we plan our move ahead, we forecast our move, we forecast our entry, we set alert, and that's how we're going to approach the consistent result and consistent routine to have a consistent profit. That's all for this week. Thank you for watching. Bye.